my name's Austin. I'm the intern underneath the Senior Director of Operational Excellence at Aligned Data Centers.
My name is Arya Patate, and I am the IT Project Management Intern here at Aligned.
My name is Alyssa Krebsbot, and I am the Brand Strategy Intern here at Aligned.
My name is Amelia Summers, and I'm an accounting intern in the Financial Reporting Department.
My name is Anton Lole, and I'm an intern with the Strategy and Development Department.
I'm Grant Davison, and I am the Platform Procurement Intern.
My name's Tindall Coffinger. I'm a finance major at the University of Oklahoma, and I'm an IT intern.
I'm Colby Cornwell, and I am an electrical engineering intern at Aligned.
I'm Sarah Zolker, and I am an operations intern.
My name is Jonathan, and I'm an operations intern here at Aligned.
I was most surprised about all the infrastructure that went into it, from all the transformers and switch gears to just the cooling and all that. I was really surprised.
It's really opened my eyes to see how much data centers do, not just technology-wise, but also community-wise.
Surprised to learn that here at Aligned, we use a closed water loop system which recycles the same water again and again and doesn't waste it.
And I really got to dig deep and do a lot of research, which was really fun for me.
The collab labs, because it was a really great opportunity to learn more about the different departments at Aligned and really understand how everyone works together.
Just getting to sit down with a few C-suites and have a Q&A session, the insight that they can provide is extremely valuable, and you don't get that kind of opportunity often.
I would say the most valuable skill that I've learned is problem solving. I feel like that's something that I thought I had before, but I feel like there's a difference between day-to-day life and doing it in a corporate setting.
Definitely time management and learning to multitask. There's so much going on and so many different meetings and things that you really have to juggle, so that's been a really valuable skill.
The ability to ask the right questions at the right time.
Being adaptable, because every day brought something new and I had to learn to adjust quickly.
It's definitely made me interested in data centers for the future, and it's, kind of broadened my horizons on what I'd be interested in doing for work.
I've now realized that I love to work in a fast-paced environment where no day is the same.
I would definitely say ask questions.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Let yourself be curious.
Exciting.
Definitely knowledgeable.
Interesting.
Unique.
Exceptional.
Transformative.
Growth. Impactful.